What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be taking the shit piss missile out into the snow, see if we crash or die or something, break down. We were out last night and a couple other nights ago, and it was a lot of fun. We gotta go pick up a buddy first though, and Andzelo came to film from the interior, so hopefully we can get some cool shots. There will be a different driver too. It won't be me driving, just so you guys know. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. We did a new exhaust too. Same tip, but it's quieter. The washers, they kind of suck. We just got passed on my road, so I gotta do that and then get wet.
Alfred, sponsor us.
They already sponsor us. We get all this water for free. Yeah. Is that alcohol?
Yep.
People gon' talk, but it won't change, yeah. Ay, keep it steady up in my own lane. Ay, all the service up when I get paid, yeah. Ay, pass it to me, go sit plante, yeah. Turn that shit up, Caliente, yeah. Ay, home food, but I hate the sensei, yeah. Ay, tore the shit down in my own way. Ay, I be getting bands, getting plenty. Pay for risk cold. Get that bag, I gon' take that shit home. Roll that down, I gon' smoke on my own.
What's up? This is a cool spot. The driver did okay. First couple runs were tough. Got to get used to it, but car works good. It's insane how different it is when you take two huge people out of it though. It feels like a completely different car. The back end wants to slide really easy.
Yo, literally, Tomek has 2 meters.
Yeah. I'm 6'2", and then look at him. Like you're like 6, 7 or 5, something like tall.
Yeah.
So, couple big boys in this bitch today.
And it's also me.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit heavy. Yeah.
You're compact.
I gon' take that shit home. Roll that blunt, I gon' smoke on my own. Smoke it on pounds, then we gon' roll. Slide, action, freeze,
Got the compact outside. Really gotta fix this. Still all cracked and zip tied from the track day. Welcome to my crib. So this is a 2.5 liter E36. It's got max peating rod coilovers, Odessa CNC angle blocks, E46 lower control arms, poly bushings everywhere. It does not have the regulated rear end yet, so the alignment is whatever it is. It's got like a 1.5 degree of toe out on the right side, and then 0.7 degrees of toe on the left side. So it swings better to the right than the left. It's got an inline hydro here that's unscrewable. These are our light switches, so very fancy. It has heat, so that's really, really important. And then we got a radio delete for weight reduction. Yeah, besides that, it's just a normal compact. It's got a quick release. It is an M52, not an M50, so it is down about 20 horsepower. So that is one thing to note. Besides that, works really good. It's got a Spall fan on a little switch over here, and it puts in the work. Hello, hello.
Hello. Hello there, boys.
Now we got the 2.8 liter compact outside. You ready to shred some not snowy roads?
Hey, I already went off the road like really bad earlier.
Oh.
But I didn't hit anything bad, so it was cool. And I didn't get stuck.
That's the most important part then. Not to get stuck.
Yeah, actually,
So we got radios now too. Andzelo's gonna stand in the middle and we're gonna do donuts around him, okay?
You wanna? Yeah, okay.
There's not that much snow.
Yo, I cannot see you.
Yeah. Your tires are bad?
Dude, I can't catch traction for anything.
Mine are like okay-ish. But kind of sucks the lack of snow that we found. Probably calling it for the night. Hopefully the clips we got are good enough for you guys.
Well, this was all AI. Let's just say that first.
It was. It's all computer generated.
Yeah.
It's crazy what AI can do these days. Yeah. They even got the 5 fingers right this time. But please like, comment, subscribe, and let us know what you want to see more. We'll be doing get back on that turbo E36 build pretty soon. Just waiting for the manifold still. Yeah, thank you guys.
Designer up my clothes, wrist so icy, out so froze. Pour another shot of Patron. Keep dancing in the night, ain't your zone. She looks so fine, not like yo. She want another shot, I told her let's go. Getting on my line, yeah, on my phone. Sliding on the dance with DJ, let's go.
I don't need no drip, you see. Already got it in my energy, yeah. You gon' know it when you fuck with me, girl. You gon' know it when you fuck with me, ayy. See, I gotta walk it out, yeah. Smoke behind me, I push back my clouds, yeah. I got too drunk at the club and blacked out. I don't give fucks about the fame or the clout. Not that shit I'm about. I don't wanna complicate shit. I just want my compensation.